Well, good morning and welcome back to Peterborough magnet fishing. If my voice is a bit muffled, it's because I've got a costume on. It's Halloween, Sunday the 31st of October. We're going down to Greater Manchester, an organised meet for raising money for Alfie for an electric wheelchair. It's a great cause. Yeah, drag the mag I'm waiting for. It's Sophie from Magnetic Pull and that's Brad. They've organised the meetup. So yeah, it's an early start. We've got a 2.5 hour drive. I'll try and flick the camera around so you can see what I'm going as. But here's a clue. What a nice boat. Do you want it back? There you go. I've gone as Pennywise. Got the old gear on. There you go. Pennywise the clown. Getting some strange looks by passers-by. I'm not driving like this. I'm just doing the intro. I have got some other bits and bobs to go with the costume, but I'll show you them when we get there. Just waiting for Vinny, so yeah, I'll bring you back later. Right, we're here. We're all sheltering under a little bridge. There's another bridge further down. Sophie's here, she's organised it today. Yeah, hopefully it's going to dry out a bit later, but yeah, we're going to start dipping in here, so we'll bring you back. Well, we've had a pause in proceedings. It's all going off still, but I'm just going to walk down the canal and video anyone that's here. We've got channel.
I haven't got one.
Oh, I haven't got one. It's John. Graham. Of course it is. I thought it was. I was going to say John. It's Graham. We've got Lee.
Lee.
Cool. Lovely. I'll have a walk down and see who else is here. Right, who we got here? You got a channel? You got a channel or you just fish?
Just started one last night.
Oh, right, cool. Right.
Ellesmere Port,
Ellesmere Port, excellent, cool.
Yes.
Right, we'll go and see who else is about and then I will get my magnet back in the water. Cool, catch you in a bit. We've got Brad there, still talking to the police. Little walk down. I was going to fish in the gap, but I boat there now. I'll have a wander down. Who we got here?
Just Ash.
Ash, any channels?
Yeah, just Ash YouTube.
Just Ash YouTube.
Yeah,
go and check him out. Go and check him out. Like and subscribe. We've still got Vinny here. We've got
Possible magnet fishing.
Cole and Sophie's mum. Right, she's just setting up the table for the raffle prizes. We're going to get the show back on the road. It was a bit of a dampener and we were swimming and ahhing whether to cancel or move location completely. But no, we're going to carry on. It's a good cause. Who we got here? Got a channel?
No, we've got one.
No, just fishing for fun.
Yeah.
Don't blame you. Good on you. Name?
John.
John. Cool.
Cheers.
Cracking. Got a channel?
Magnet fishing for amateurs.
Hey, there we go. Amateur magnet fishing for amateurs. Cool. Catch you in a bit.
Yeah, cheers.
Oh, he's on something heavy in the middle there. I'll catch him on the way back, see if he gets anything. Someone's pulled out a road sign and half. But that took a bit of go coming getting out.
No, actually quite light.
Bloody hell. I've pulled a little in that and I've struggled for about 10 to 20 minutes on it. Right.
Hold it, magnet, it's just started rising that water.
Sweet. Who we got here?
We've got John, we've started a new group up called South and West.
South and West. Cool, go and check them out. like, subscribe and share. Do what you got to do. And tin roof.
Yep. 2 pieces of it.
I think I'm going to move down this end. We're only finding nails and stuff down that end. They're getting the big stuff out this end. Right, we'll catch you in a bit. Right, who we got here? Who we got here? Channel?
South and West.
South and West, you're all together, yeah?
We're all together.
It's a big old group.
I had to think about it then.
Right, we'll pop down. Crippled Old Bikers Brotherhood. Is that your channel name or?
Pardon?
Channel for fishing?
Bike Club.
Biker group?
We were on.
Oh, you're taking over. Right, we'll see what else they get. And here we got Magnet Man Magnetics.
You alright?
Say that as a tongue twister.
Oh no, everyone says that.
Right, nearly at the end, and then I will get my magnet back in the water. Right, and who we got here?
Andy, you lead magnet.
Leeds Magnet Keys, of course it is. We've got the little ones here. Anything interesting yet? Pull anything out? No, not yet. Keep going, you'll get some. Catch you in a bit. Hello, here we go. Another part of the Leeds Magneteers.
How are you doing? You alright then?
Yeah, not too bad. Carrying on walking, I'm now back under the second bridge. Who we got here?
Hey, Steve from Nelson.
Cool, go check the channels out.
I like it. I like it.
It's got to be done.
Oh, yeah.
Is this the end of the queue yet? Right, there is a couple of people all the way down in the distance at the other bridge. I'm not going to walk all that way. So yeah, time to head back and get my magnets wet again. Well, got some sort of racket. Looks like the ring binders, load of fishing line, and a manky bar. Again with a load of fishing line. Right, bring it back. Well, there we go. On my next throw, chaff can and a little burner phone. Right, pulled out some more bars, an old hook, half a scaffolding clamp, some more chaff cans, and a load of fishing line. Right, bring you back. Right, I think I've actually got a rider this time. Got a little scooter. I'm hoping so. Yay, it's a rider. I got him. Yeah. Sweet, I'll bring you back. Well, got a couple of bits of rebarb and a rusty piece of metal and a couple of chaff cans. Right, bring you back. Well, I've just pulled this out. Not sure what it is. It says WD My Passport Ultra. So yeah, whether it's a memory, a mini hard drive, external hard drive, don't know. Put that to one side. It's either a power bank or a hard drive. It's got My Passport on it. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. My passport. my Passport Ultra.
That's so nice, right?
Yeah. We've had a little pause in proceedings. We're all gathered round. We're going to do the raffle. Spin you round. There you go.
Best costume.
Best costume.
There you go.
Nice one. Thank
A
you.
limited edition thing there.
Excellent. Sweet.
465. No name. 465. Probably just been sold, you? 465. There you go.
No, you wouldn't say yours like a gift set to get some handle clothes, body wash.
Number 37, weird ticket. 37. You there? 432.
Shall we go for the Mega Drive? What do you reckon?
Mega Drive.
Come on.
These two little boys, look, there's Christmas is coming up. You want that one?
461.
No.
That would be you.
Oh. You're doing it, isn't you? Oh, nice. Well done.
One before me.
Or F.
What was it? What was the number?
496.
That would be me.
Oh.
Oh, bless. Well done.
Share that with me, brother.
There you go. That's made their day.
Share it with me, brother.
Go for the 31 piece.
Right, Vinny's going to do a little party piece.
No one to hold me like a trophy. Please don't approach me. Man, naked fishing, the vent from the Sophie. Yeah, I'm with that brat. Find that the day was so mad. Hold the peace. Eventually they came to what we just say yes. I can hear the sirens coming, king of
Well done. Nice one. There you go, that's Vinny's little party piece.
I need that one.
Oh, do you?
Right, they've done the raffle and prize of the day. So we've moved down to bridge number 81, second chuck, and old Nokia 7210. No back, no battery, no SIM card. But yeah, nice cool little phone. Right, we'll bring you back. Yeah, people are still mulling around. Got Scotty B here. Got Richard. No, Graham. Yeah. There was a big frame just about there. Me and Vinny both locked onto it. We both came off it, and this was attached.
Both clamped onto this.
Attached to both. That's an excellent find. Right, we will try and get that frame. Yeah. Right, we'll bring you back. The big frame thingy that me and Vinny was stuck on before we got that little axe out. This boy. I can't go back too far because I'll be in the water, but yeah. Massive frame. Don't know if it's a trailer frame or something like that, but excuse me. It's got some legs on it. Right, see what else we get. Oh, also pulled out 2 of these. Belong to a market stall. Now, some passers-by did say that on the car park here, excuse me, there used to be a market. So obviously one of the abandoned stalls got thrown in. There you go. Vinny's just taken the frame down there, and we'll bring you back. Right, last few stragglers again. Myself, Vinny, Sophie, Magnetic Pull, and
Steve Nelson.
Steve Nelson.
Wet.
We've just walked up and down, cleared the scrap, it's all in the pile. So yeah, it's been a cracking day, thank you.
Fixing fences.
Yeah, we fixed the fence, well, sort of, it's back in the hole, the council's got to fix it, but...
We can have the force back, the concrete one.
Yeah.
We don't want it.
It's been a cracking day, as you can tell, it's raining again, so go and check all the channels and we'll see you on the next one.